This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. In Meghalaya, 59 persons, mostly returnees, including a 3-year-old child and other high-risk contacts and 2 staff from quarantine centres, besides BSF personnel, tested positive yesterday, taking active cases up to 547. East Khasi Hills accounted for 54 cases, including 48 civilians and 6 BSF. Several localities in Shillong, from where positive COVID-19 cases were reported, have been declared containment zones. In West Jaintia Hills, New Hill Jawai was declared containment zone following detection of a COVID-19 positive case. The public are not allowed to move into containment zones and inhabitants are not allowed to move out. The East Khasi Hills District Magistrate has ordered total curfew in Shillong and its adjoining areas from midnight tonight to midnight of Wednesday. During this period, a total lockdown will be in force. Night curfew will also be effective in rural areas of East Khasi Hills from 27th July to 3rd August between 9 p.m. and 5 a.m. each day. The number of active COVID-19 patients in Assam was recorded at 7,951, while 23,055 patients were discharged from hospitals till yesterday. State Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma tweeted last night that 1,165 new cases were detected, with 353 from Guwahati and 100 from Golaghat. Mr. Sarma has urged the people to strictly follow the health precautions. The Meghalaya Health Department yesterday issued a public advisory for permitting health workers to attend duty. There were reports that doctors, nurses and other health workers staying in containment zones were obstructed from attending their duties, which disrupted day-to-day functioning of hospitals in Shillong. Apart from COVID-19, hospitals handle many emergencies dealing with life and death which need equal attention. Obstructions could lead to loss of precious life, the advisory said. There have been instances of health workers being stigmatized, the official notification said. The government has advised the public to be more empathetic towards health workers and doctors who have been putting their lives at stake for the safety of the people. Nagaland has reported a total of 4 deaths this week due to COVID-19. 50 new cases were reported yesterday, taking the number of active cases to 744. 4 more COVID-19 patients also recovered, taking the recovery tally to 541. Meanwhile, a 7-day total lockdown in Kohima district began today, amid increasing number of coronavirus cases in Nagaland. The Dimapur administration has also imposed an 8-day shutdown from today to begin the chain of surging novel coronavirus cases. The total lockdown will continue till the 2nd of August, an agency report said, quoting officials. In flood-hit Assam, disaster response teams have evacuated over 80,000 people to safer places. Participating in an AIR News talk show, project coordinator of State Disaster Management Authority, Pankaj Chakravarti said, Program Officer Kripaljyoti Mazumdar said, relief camps are being operated maintaining COVID-19 guidelines. They said that 140 relief camps have child-friendly spaces within the premises. Online classes are also being conducted by the Education Department for students studying at schools and staying at relief camps. Over 26 lakh people have been affected due to floods in Assam, with the death toll going up to 97 so far. An Indian Air Force helicopter yesterday airlifted essential commodities for the people of 2 remote villages in North Sikkim, which are cut off due to landslides. The Air Force helicopter dropped essential supplies and medicines for the people of Sakyong and Pentong villages. The 2 villages are cut off since the 10th of this month, as multiple landslides had washed off roads and bridges due to incessant rainfall. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people of the country and abroad in the Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio today. It will be broadcast on the entire network of All India Radio and Doordarshan, and also on AIR News website www.newsonair.com and News on Air or mobile app. It will also be streamed live on the YouTube channels of AIR, DD News, PMO and Information and Broadcasting Ministry. The regional language versions will be repeated at 8 in the evening. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.